Me. This the plumb is so far gone in the wall. So if you want to come out, you pull Welcome back to another video. So if you guys have been following the house build, you know some great progress have been made over here. So guys, in this video I've decided to get rid of some of the rough work for the electrical work to make it process a little bit easier for the electrician. So I decided to put in a few handy boxes and a few wall cases. So the handy boxes for the plugs and the wall cases are for the switch. So stay tuned guys and watch how I get these into place. So you know, everyone do their thing differently. As you can see, what I have done is flush the mortar in the hole that was cut out for the box, and then I squeeze it in. So what I'll do is to ensure that the box is level and it is flush with the rough cast wall. After all that, I'll just leave the box to dry in the wall. That is it guys, just like that we have two boxes into place already. So what I'll do is just leave them to dry. So whenever the electrician comes, all he has to do is just to put in his pipes and connect them to where they should go. So peeps, whenever you are applying fresh mortar to any area that is already erected and dry, ensure to apply water so that the fresh mortar can bond with the area that is already there. So what I'm basically doing is to clean out the excess gravel out of the area that has been cut out. You know, excess gravel that is inside this place. So, mark a hole on the concrete that is here already. So just gonna flush them in and put them in, let them dry, guys. And the electrician comes and they put in his pipes, flush up these walls, you know what I mean? Yeah, so we have this thing bore out. One hole here, right here, one there. So the pipe that is going that direction and one going up to that one. Push this into place. Yes, the plumbing is so far gone in the wall. If you want to come out, you pull it out. Now let's go check for the level. Check for the level of this thing. Right, but you want to go down. Right. So this wall right here is basically the TV wall. So if you're gonna hang a TV on the wall right there, there is a plug that is left out for the TV. So you don't have to run an extension or have the electrical wire hang down trying to reach the plug that is low down off the floor. Ensure to clean off any excess mortar that is left on the wall because the wall is already prepared for rendering. So this is it guys, giving you a run through of what I have done. So I have projected the plug in the bathroom for the tiling. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next one. Peace.